Hi, hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous is a tense, as the name says, related to the present perfect. That means an action that started in the past, and then when we add the continuous tense, it means that the action continues occurring through time. Let's take a look at the grammar structure of this tense. Here we have the subject, here we have the auxiliary have or has, depending on the subject. We have the verb to be in past participle, which is been, and then the verb with ing. That means the verb in continuous tense. So let's take a look at an example. Here we have, I have been teaching English for 10 years. As we can see, it means that I started teaching English 10 years ago, and then the verb teaching, it means that I continue teaching until today. Let's take a look again. I have been teaching for 10 years. After this example, we could see that here we have a keyword, which is for. This word for, along with the word ago, are two keywords that are frequently and always used in the present perfect continuous to determine the periodicity of time that these actions have or has been done through time. Okay, now to be clear, we have to make sure that for is for a specified time. When we talk of specified time, we are talking about a number of hours, a number of years, a number of months, or a specific time. And when we use ago, then we have to determine not only the number, but also how early that action occurred through the present perfect continuous. Now, let's take a look at an example. Here we say, she has been cooking all day. That means that she has been doing this action during the entire day. And finally, let's use ago. They have been playing 1 hour ago. What does that mean? That they haven't stopped playing for an hour. That means they haven't finished playing soccer. Now, after reviewing the content about the present perfect continuous tense, here we can have also the past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is an action that describes when an event started in the past, continued in the past, and finished at a specific point in the past too. Now, here let's check the grammar structure. The grammar structure for the past perfect continuous is very similar to the present perfect continuous. Here we have the subject, here we have the auxiliary had, the verb to be in past participle, been, and then finally the verb in ing. Now, basically when we write or when we compose a sentence in past perfect continuous, we must take into account that there must be a past action that concluded after everything occurred. Let's take a look at this example. She had been doing exercise when his mom appeared. Now we can see that here it is stating that everything she did was in the past, but everything finished when her mother appeared. Let's take a look again. She had been doing exercise when her mother appeared. Now, after watching this video, you should be able to Communicate ideas verbally and written through present and past perfect continuous. Express your ideas about the longevity of time using for, since, and ago. Don't forget that if you need to know more about these 3 words, you can go and check the content of the module.